video yung nagagawin natin for today. Since kaka-upload ko lang last week, so I decided to make another new video for you guys. And since last week, yung video natin is all about unboxing. So today, I'm gonna do another video which is another unboxing. Yay! Clap, clap, clap. And please welcome here my best friend. Ting, 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 Tony. So, say hi. Hi! Chung, chung, chung. So, laki niya guys. Mas malaki pa siya sa akin. So, anyways, let's go back for our video. So, last week, I checked the mailbox and I received this. So, this is actually not for me, but it's for my hubby. Yeah, so since lockdown, second strike of lockdown, so we barely go out. So I decided to shop online for him, just to surprise him a bit, you know. So since minsan we're bored, so marami tayong nakikita online na, oh, you want to buy this and you want to buy that. So that's the reason why, you know, I saw this one na alam ko magugustuhan ni hubby. So let's do unboxing here guys. Join me here. But first thing first, do you know or do you have any idea what this is inside? Any clue? Any clue for mga husband there? Mga misis na nasa bahay, baka may clue kayo. But if not, let's open it. Let's open. So this one. I don't know if you guys have a clue yet or no. But yeah, it's showing the picture. So this is actually alam ko na magugustuhan ni hubby because nag-yoyosi nga siya guys. But yeah, so I decided to buy this. Let's open it outside the box. So this is how it looks like inside. So if you don't have any idea what this is, so this is cigarette case, and at the same time it's also a lighter. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. So one pack, like one of this, and then you can have a usage of two. It's pack for your cigarette, and also it's your lighter. And the coolest thing here guys, so you can see how classy is it. It's very class. Like when you get this, it's kind of like, oh, like a perfume, right? But it's actually a cigarette pack, like storage, cigarette storage. Yeah, I think that's the best name for it, cigarette storage, and at the same time it's a lighter. So let's open it. I just want to show it to you guys. So on this side, you see that one, just press that one and it will open. And see, that's the inside. And also, as you can see, there is a white stuff inside. So that is actually the main reason why I bought this, because look at this. Yay! It's chargeable guys, so you can charge it when you get the battery get low, then you can actually charge it. So see this, that's the one you can plug this one inside there. So it's very cool, right? So I should get Okay, I need to get some cigarette. I'll be right back. So I'm back here, guys, with the smoke. So it's actually, this is the smoke that my husband is using each day. And see, yung packaging niya, alam mo talagang cigarette siya. So while in here, diba? Social, guys. Parang nakakaangat sa buhay, you know. Then open it. I'll just gonna quick show you how to do it. So this is the smoke. Nalaglag siya. Sana hindi masira. So yan yung smoke. So kukunin natin siya. So let's say this one. Naglag. So then, ito, ilalagay mo siya ngayon doon. Wait, doon. Oops, make sure na maganda yung pagkakalagay para maganda yung release niya mamaya. So hindi siya puno. Pero you can put more of that. Make sure tama yung pagkakalagay nyo, guys, ha. Dapat tama, hindi bali-baliktad or else. Well, pwede naman siguro bali-baliktad. So, see. May purpose yan, guys. May purpose din to. So, first, this one. I'm gonna show you this. Press that one up. So, nakikita nyo, press this one up. That is your lighter. So, you see the violet color? So, that is actually your lighter. So, press this one up, the second one. Ayan na yung smoke nyo, guys. So, see, that's why I'm saying you should put it in the right way. Kasi, pag pinress mo to, so, baliktad siya, right? So, you want this one to be this one, actually. Na ganito ang kalalabasan na ito agad ang makukuha mo. Hindi kasi ako nag-yosi, guys. But nakikita ko sa asawa. So, it has to be this one. Okay. I'm gonna show you. Baliktad rin natin. So, ngayon kasi baliktad siya. So, let's put it this way. So, since mali yung pagkakalagay natin, baliktad rin natin. Kasi gusto mo yung brown ang makukuha mo agad. So, see, I'm gonna show you one more time. There. So, brown na siya. So, you can actually, from here, you can actually pull it from your mouth. Pull it. Hindi ako nag-yosi, but I'm gonna try it just for you guys. Oh, yeah. So, pull it. Then, push this one for your lighter. Tapos, yun na siya. So, yeah, there. You have your smoke. So, the only thing na nagustuhan ko, kasi, dahil, every time nilalabas ni asawa to, parang natatakot ako dito sa this and this. Yan, yung heart na stuff. So, ayoko tong nakikita. So, parang nag-search ako online para sa kanyang yosi, para at least hindi masyadong obvious na ano. So, yeah. So, I found this one. So, binilhan ko siya ng dalawa. Dalawa na, guys. Para pag nasira yung isa, meron siyang extra. Diba? Kasi, yung si asawa, quick, ano lang, guys. How to say it? Quick istorya lang tayo. Si asawa kasi, yung ugali niya, lagi niyang iniisip kaming mag-ina, ako at saka si anak. So, lagi niyang kaming binibilhan ng kung ano-ano. Tapos, hindi niya nabibilhan yung sarili niya minsan kasi sabi niya, hindi ko kailangan. So, ito ang way ko para naman mabilhan ko siya kahit small thing lang kasi matutuwa na yan siya. Kasi just to show your love and care, you know. So, yeah. Actually, nung, ano guys, nung nakita niya to, tuwang-tuwa because, yeah, sabi nga siya daw si, James Bond. James Bond na daw siya, guys. Tapos, alam mo, parang nagyayabang. Oh, ang ganda-ganda ng ko, ang ganda-ganda ng case ko. Oh, parang, yeah, smoke case. Oh, diba? Social. So, i-stock up ko na siya sa inside para mapuno. Tapos, bibigay ko ulit sa kanya. Yan, no, diba? Ang gara lang siya, guys. So, everywhere you go, aakalain mo ba na, to, smoke case to? Nope, right? Kasi it's so classy, look. Oh, malay mo ba kung anong laman yan? Tapos when you, naman, yabang ka, tapos gaganon ka, do you have smoke? So, yeah, I do. Yeah, yes, I do. Chup! Oh, there. Okay, open. Chup! Oh, diba? Tapos, do you have lighter na? Yes, I do. Chup! Oh, diba? So, yeah. So, pinakita ko lang sa inyo, guys, kasi it's super cute. You can check this one out in saan ko ba ito? Sa Wish. So this is from Wish. So maraming option dun, guys. So you can buy one for your husband as well or whatever pang regalo nyo sa inyong mga minamahal sa buhay, sa mga tatay nyo, sa mga asawa nyo, sa mga boyfriend nyo na nag-US years sa kita. So yeah. So that's about it for this simple video, guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo. One more look. So, I suggest grab yours now. Thank you so much. We'll see you again in our next video. Bye now.